if you're going to be involved in cryptocurrency, it's good to know what a blockchain is, or at least be familiar with it. Because a blockchain is an integral part of cryptocurrency. And some claim that blockchain is the next disruptive technology after the internet. Okay, it's basically a public ledger or a database for cryptocurrency transactions, although it can be used for other applications. Okay, and everybody has access to a blockchain, similar to how a Google document can be shared with thousands of people, and it's not stored in any single location. And what's great about blockchains is that they cannot be controlled by any single entity. So a blockchain is a great form of decentralized technology. It has the potential to be used in other industries, not just for cryptocurrencies. For example, it can be used for stock trading. So intermediaries such as the clearinghouse can be eliminated from the trading process. It can also be used for elections to reduce voting fraud. And there are dozens of other examples.